I battle you over stupid shit. And there's people who ain't that shit to do with it, like who they does. You see me standing outside of your building, screaming Puffy is good, but Slim Shady is for the children. I look at my life in a new light. Yeah, give me 2 mics, I write songs for me. What you like? You probably hear me rap half-hearted, cause I don't like rap anyway. I'm just trying to get my porno career started. Every place and event, been there, done that. Dre stuck me in his suitcase when he wins. Want a deal? Study these 5 chapters. Lesson 1, throw demos as hard as you can, sign rappers. Lesson 2, face him and diss him. Don't give him a demo, kidnap him and make him come to your basement and listen. Lesson 3, get a job at a label. Switch demos with cannabis and put yours on the owner's table. Lesson 4, know you heard this before. Hey, let me get your number, I'll call you tomorrow for sure. Don't act like a fan, you wanna get signed? Get the whitest stain on you can find. Pull them aside, rap as whack as you can. Lesson 5, get a hook up a jive. Dress up like ICP and have them come see you perform live. And that's the key. But when you see me on the street, I ain't giving you sticks. Don't even bother asking me. Toilet water splashes me right in the ass when I'm spitting, cause I'm always shitting when I'm rapping like Master P. Got a blow job from Paula Jones. Stuck it so far in the mouth, my paw broke both of her collarbones. Told Maya this was all about Mia. And gave a list of Milano, syphilis, Milo, with gonorrhea. Then all 3 of my main girls said see ya, cause Brandy and Monica walked in and called me